Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. So guys, if you want to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on your Messenger, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open the menu in the Messenger, and now you have to simply tap on the settings button. And once you are here, you have to simply go to privacy and safety, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on end-to-end encrypted chats, and from here you have to tap on message storage and wait here for some seconds. So guys, make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and from here you have to simply turn on message secure storage from here if it is off. So guys, here you can see this. Here you can see if it is it says turn off secure storage, it means your secure storage is on. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply turn it on if it is off, and after this you have to simply go back, and now you have to simply open these settings again, and now scroll it below all the way and tap on see more in account center. And once you are here, you have to simply scroll it below, and from here you have to simply tap on your information and permissions, and from here you have to tap on download your information, and from here tap on download or transfer information, and from here select your Facebook account, tap on next button, and from here tap on specific types of information, and from here you have to simply check this button to messages. As you want to recover your end-to-end encrypted messages or chats from Facebook, you have to simply check this to messages, and after this tap on next button, and now from here you have to simply tap on download to device. So guys, once you download this to device, after this you will be able to see the recovered end-to-end encrypted message in the file form on your device. So guys, in this way you can also download or recover the end-to-end encrypted chats on your Messenger. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.